So guys, this is a detailed comparison video between Unity Ads and Applovin. So Unity Ads and Applovin are both prominent players in mobile advertising industry, offering solution for app developers to monetize their application through app advertisement. Simple. If we talk about ad format, so what kind of ad format they both provide? So for Unity Ads, they offer a variety of ad format like rewarded video ads, interstitial ads, banner ads, and AR ads. Rewarded video ads are particular strength, allowing developers to reward user with in-game currency or other incentive for watching ads. For Applovin, it provides range of ad format like rewarded video ads, interstitial ads, native ads, and banner ads. Okay, so if we talk about integration and SDK, so what kind of system development kit we have to integrate to run our ads? So for Unity Ads, integration with Unity game engine is seamless and it is very easy, and you can easily just type your code and you can just implement the code for your for running your ads. Okay, so the SDK is well documented and supported across multiple platforms including iOS, Android, and Unity Editor. Okay, so Unity Editor is a software from where you develop games. Okay, so if we talk about Applovin, so Applovin also provides SDK for iOS, Android, Unity with support for other platforms as well. So moving ahead, if we talk about monetization features, so Unity Ads offer advanced targeting options, analytics, and reporting tools to help developer maximize their ad revenue. Not only this, Unity also offers machine learning algorithms to optimize ad placement and increase user engagement. If we talk about Applovin, so it also provides robust targeting capabilities including user segmentation and behavioral targeting. So already made a video on behavioral targeting. If you want to know more about it, so you can check my video. Moving ahead, if we talk about ad quality and fill rate, so Unity Ads are best known for delivering high quality ads with a competitive fill rate, and Unity Ad Network includes wide range of premium advertisers. As we know that it also engaged with premium advertiser, and more relevant and engaging ads are there. Okay, and if we talk about Applovin, so similarly it is just like the same. So it delivers high quality ads with competitive fill rate, and extensive network of advertisers ensures a steady supply of ads across different regions and verticals. Okay, so it also provides high quality ads and relevant ads so that user can be more engaging. Okay, so overall if we look at both Unity and Applovin, they are looking good. They are looking robust ad network, and with their strength and capabilities,